happened? Darn it.
What are you doing, kid?
You're gonna run out of water soon, buddy. You're soaking wet. The front of his hair? I didn't wet it at all. It's on him. Even when he's not looking. He told him no. Did it squirt when you weren't looking? Why are you... Do you like the water?